You have summoned me once again. I won't tolerate this, and there will be dire consequences. Tonight, you will wake up and I will be there, watching at you in the corner. Your body will be sealed on your bed. Your eyes won't blink. You will stare at me with my will, and I will watch you. Nobody can and will save you from the inevitable. I will make sure of that, and I will watch you. Consider this your last warning, human.